Hey everyone, I'm Jason for WTI. If you're an avid bike rider like myself, you know the importance of being visible on the road, but also lighting up your path at night. The S400 Pro from GearLight does just that for me. It has some really cool features I think you'll like. Check it out. The S400 puts out an amazing amount of light, and the single push button allows you to easily cycle through the various settings that it has. Equally impressive is the Taillight. Now this thing is super bright and can be seen from a far distance. It too has multiple settings that are easy to adjust by a single push button. The lens on this unit disperses the light really nice all around in front of you and also provides a nice spot so you can see far down the trail. The lights are also very visible during the day, adding to the safety of your bike ride. GearLight has made it super easy to attach their light to practically any bike frame. With the rubber band and hook system, you can simply wrap it and hook it on. Alright, so there you have it. If you are looking for a new light setup for your bike, I would highly recommend this one from GearLight, the S400 Pro. This thing just lights up the night, but also allows you to be super visible during the day too, adding to that safety factor. So if you're looking for something like this, I know I love it, and I know you're going to love it too. I'd highly recommend these, and that is my point of view.